Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to transfer data from your iPhone 16 Pro or Pro Max to a new iPhone. So if you have a new iPhone, this is your old one and you want to transfer data, then what you need to do is open the settings, go to General, and then if you scroll down you should be able to find Transfer or Reset iPhone. If you go over here, you'll find Prepare for New iPhone section, where we can read that we can transfer everything to a new phone, even if you don't have enough iCloud storage to back up. So let's press Get Started. And now over here we will also find, once again, pretty much the same information. We receive extra iCloud storage to move apps and data from one iPhone to another. So even if you don't have enough space, you don't have to worry about it. You can just move everything through the iCloud storage anyway. So once you are ready, we can press continue. And there we go. We have now this information. You will be ready for your new iPhone. And that's pretty much it for now. Now your iPhone is using iCloud to secure all your data. And you can also read all of this if needed. Then we can press done, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.